I give Zedd's property a B-, and I'm going to tell you why in less than 2 minutes. But first, you should know, it's listed for $23 million by these two real estate agents, and my name is Arvind Haddad. I'm a real estate agent by day and a real estate critic at night. But first, location. It's deep in Beverly Hills Post Office. You're almost in the valley, and that's why it gets a 5. Lot quality. It's a promontory, but it has a slight slope, and that's why it gets a 9. Lot orientation. It's dead on, south-facing, end of a cul-de-sac, right side of the street. It definitely gets a 10. Lot utilization. I think this was a miss, how big of a lot they had to work with, but because it's so big, it still kind of pencils in. It's very front-heavy, small side yards, and an average backyard. It gets a 7. Privacy. There's no one looking into this property. It gets a 10. Views. It's beautiful mountain views, but, you know, that's a 6. You know, it's not the greatest view. Scale and architectural style. It's warm and inviting, but there is some rooms that lack that scale and they're a little bit narrow. That's why it gets a 9. Layout. The indoor-outdoor flow is good. Connectivity is good, but there's just too many of these little steps and stairs that are unnecessary, so I give it an 8. Finishes. Look, they're starting to show their age, and that's why I'm giving it a 7. The X factor. This is an epitome of an artist or creator's private sanctuary. It's absolutely zen, and that's why I give it a 9, because it totally stands out. Now, before I give you the final score, I want you to know that I do this for transparency, because I believe this asset class doesn't get analyzed like other asset classes, and we don't need another app or technology to solve the real estate. We just need more transparency. If you found any value in this video, please like and comment and share it with your friends. The final score is 80, and that's why it's a B-. Now, if you like this video, you might like this video or this video, so click on them and check them out.